Alright people, gather round. Everyone likes free shit, so I'm doing a giveaway. So here we go with my first proper giveaway. Now standard from Australia Post, the box is damaged. If you know my history with Australia Post on this channel. MaxpeedingRods coilovers to suit VT to VZ Commodore. Now let's get these out of the box. Having a good look over these, I'm kind of second guessing. Maybe I should put these in the front of my ute. I don't know. Nah. Of course I'm going to give them away to you guys. I'd rather them go to you. You know, give back to sort of the people that support the channel. So we'll see how we go. So here we have the MaxpeedingRods adjustable coilovers. They look to be very good quality. All the welds are good. All the bushes look like they're rubber instead of polyurethane, which is a good thing. I know they had previous problems with these. These used to be rubber, and they had to stop the springs squeaking on the perches, and they were flogging the rubber out and falling out. So it's good to see that they have attended to that problem on all the perches here. Grass colour, they remind me of the Driftworks stuff from a few years ago. You do need to use your own factory strut tops on the front. These don't come with them, so you use the OEM ones. Comes with everything else though, you know, dust boot, bump stop, spring, rear perches, rear springs, rear shocks, all new rubbers, blah 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 blah. I can't comment on the quality of these. I've never used them. The whole plan of getting these was I was actually going to use the fronts in my ute because I reckon it's a bit too low. But having a bit of a think about it, the channel's going pretty good lately, like with subs and views and shit like that, so I thought it's probably a better idea to give them away to someone. I'm hoping that they're going to go to maybe a younger kid with their first car, you know, like a stock Commodore. They want a lower or something like that. So I reckon this is a perfect giveaway for that, and I'll tell you how to win this giveaway in a second. First of all, follow me on Instagram. Here is my Instagram. Second of all, you need to subscribe to the channel, the YouTube channel obviously, which most already are. Third of all, I need you to tag me in your pictures of your cars. They need to be VT to VZ Commodores, as that's what these coilovers suit. So I want to give it away to someone that's actually going to use them and not just resell them or give them away to someone else or whatever. Now when I say tag, I need you to tag me like this in your photos so that I can find them easily here and go through them all in another video, and I'm going to pick a winner in a video in about 2 weeks time. So get tagging. The way I'm going to be choosing this is, maybe I like your car, maybe I just feel sorry for you because your car's so high and you need to lower it, so I'll send you some coilovers, who knows. So get tagging on the photos. I'm also going to provide a link in the description below to these exact coilovers in case you want to buy a set or anything else off the MaxpeedingRods website, which they have also provided me a 15% off discount code that you can put in at checkout, which I will put in the description down below as well. So let's get on with the rest of the video. Alright guys, something a little different for this one. I'm just about to start stripping this Van SS for a full repaint in the factory white. The factory automatic car, engine, front end, everything is here. So this is getting engine bay, rust repairs, full respray inside and out. Only rust I've been able to see on this is really bad there actually for this one. So engine bay, everything. So the car's sort of half stripped, molds are off, bits of the spoiler are off, all window stuff is off. It's got no interior in it. So it should be pretty quick, but over the next day and a half, 2 days, I'm gonna be stripping this down till it's a bare shell. So I thought I would bring everyone along for the ride. Alright, that is pretty much it. I am at a standstill. A couple of things that I can't get off. This door mold. This car's been painted before, so whoever stuck these back on and these skirts, it was an absolute nightmare. There's so much sticker flex. I even tried blowtorch and a spatula to get behind there and sort of soften it up, but not happening. Cannot figure out how to get this door handle out. Can't get the doors off because all the pins are stuck, every single one. So we're gonna go buy the special tool for that. So doors are on for now, but they're all gutted, all seals, glass, everything out, quarter glass out, rear glass out, all the back ends disassembled. Engine bay was an absolute nightmare just because it's so dirty. Everything out, bit more rust with the windscreen out, and a bit up here. Pretty common spot, top of the windows. I'm actually surprised there's none at the top of this one. Unless it's been fixed before, because there's a bit of primer here, so I'm assuming someone's had a go at it before. And here. So not that bad, rust-wise. That's it. Everything nicely in cups and labelled. Now it's time to go home. And to finish it off, as I said at the start of the video, for the giveaway, make sure you tag away as much as you can in as many pictures of your cars as you can. And in a couple of weeks, I will choose a winner for the set of coilovers. VT to VZ, I believe they are. Anyway, and I'll choose a winner very soon. See you guys in the next one.